So in this video, we're going to talk about formatting numbers. So in this example, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.6789, and I want to format it according to various categories and decimals. So I'm just going to copy the data here and paste it and then begin formatting. So beginning in cell D2, note that if I just wanted to immediately increase or decrease the decimals, I could do that and the Home tab number and then increase decimals or decrease decimals appropriately. So beginning in cell D3, I want to format this like a number to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to right click and go to Format Cells, and I'm going to go to Number, and I'm going to format it as a number to 2 decimal places. For the next one, I could right click and do the same thing, but also note there's some shortcuts here. So I'm just going to $sign this one. That's the accounting number format, or excuse me, we will pop that open for currency. 2 decimal places, that's going to add the dollar sign, but you can make it any currency you want. So as an example here for that one, let's do something fun. Let's see if Euro's on here, maybe. I'll be an early one. I have to type in Euro. There's Euro. Then I'll have to double click to expand that out. Accounting, that one is shortcutted, so there's accounting number format. And then I could change that to, that would be the Euro. So I'll do that one for fun. And then percentage is also a shortcut on home number. So there's the 123%, and then I can add 2 decimal places there.